What the fuck, dude? Seriously.
Subscribe to your channel.
That is definitely going on it.
This is going on into your channel. I am watering.
Yep.
Refugees and families, and in her words, she's going to stand with Ukrainian families on Mother's Day. She
Oh my
also
God.
talked about her legacy as First Lady, so we'll hear that tomorrow. Particularly that she values her independence.
Go get him. Go get him.
I think her comments about her independence juxtapose.
TV tomorrow afternoon, 4 p.m. Eastern. Simone.
You got somebody flashing your lights at you.
MSNBC at
Go fix it?
4 p.m. tomorrow. And then you'll have the original episodes Mondays and Tuesdays on Peacock. All right, coming up next, Hillary Clinton warns about why overturning Roe threatens so much more, as Simone was just saying.
Where are you going?
Reproductive rights. We're going to be joined by the historian Ruth Benkia.
In 2020, millions of people
There you go. They got it. Whoa, that was a red light.
Speaking on behalf of Thomas, we'd be happy to come on.
Really? Really? Wow. Wow. Great parking spot, dude. That is the worst parking I've seen in a long time. Good job.
Then it's not a right, according to them. And if it's not, you know, if there's a law that spells it out, how deep do you have to go?
No.
50 years of precedent is solid. I mean, like that's, and there's been all sorts of cases.
Great job.
On that 50 years. Right. Just throwing it away. So, yes, this will kill people. This will.
There's a garage right there.
Very bad things.
Or you're gonna turn around that way.
You know, get out there and start supporting charities that will help people who need abortion.
Good job. Great driving.
Will become a very bad place. Also, yeah, honestly.
Wow. Holy shit.
What he's saying is that it's unlawful because
Are you fucking kidding me? Let's go.
The Pfizer vaccine that was authorized for emergency use.
No. Don't you do it too.
Also from Pfizer, as for FDA licensure.
You're in the middle of the street.
But they're the same thing. Right? It is literally the same thing. The FDA has said, the FDA approved.
Major road.
See my hat on.
Oh no. Oh no. literally just did that.
And so I asked my mom, my mom's an evangelical Christian and she's disturbed by my atheism. But she wanted to read the book and I asked her, are you okay with that picture on the front? She said, yes. I said, well, it shows what a beautiful lady you are. And she says, yeah, thank you. So, yeah, it's a great picture for a memoir, but it's on Amazon, all the formats, audiobook, Kindle, paperback, hardback.
What the shit?
People can write me if they want a signed copy. I do that. It takes a while because we travel a lot. But they can write me at daveoutloud@gmail.com or go on the website. Right, and because he doesn't work as a lawyer in LA County, he is the lawyer in LA County.
I didn't know Alfa Romeo made city buses. Interesting. You learn something new every day.
Yeah,
He is barely my assholes.
The premise is that there is a danger that there is a danger of a Christian mindset with confident corruption. But I just don't see how many I don't see.
Oh my God.
Yo, look at this fucking bullshit. What the fuck?
That looks really safe.
He wants to uphold human rights in secular.
We were only giving away to
Jesus.
immigrants, gay, trans people, and women.
ideology also is saying that Christianity is the only one that has a winning record against most of Islam.
We want to start a fire to start a fire.
I disagree.
I know you disagree with this.
They were turning right. They have right of way. Seriously. Wow. Wow.
The heck with society, we don't even need to live within it. Like God is just silly.
Where's your kid's helmet? And we do it. Oh. Maybe this is one way to teach people how to zipper merge. There you go. Yeah, better taking that. Oh, or not. Good. Go. Everyone's scared. I'll take it. Look, this is how you do it. I've never seen that before. 2 cars in a row are scared. Park in a spot. That's hilarious. It must be so hard to pull in all the way.
Okay, it sounds bad, but in his MMA debut, he was doing some really terrible shit.
Wrong way.
Giant fun fact.
What are those arrows on the ground mean?
Legend is that Heracles.
Oh no, he ran the light. Someone get him. Lawbreaker. Asshole. Why are you like right behind them?
This is about the movie we reviewed last year with Patrick Swayze in it. Guess Roadhouse stuff. So I gave the clue Roadhouse 6. And immediately Andrew's like, shut up, shut up, shut up. I got this, I got this. This is the new Roadhouse.
Nope, that's the wrong side, buddy. Also, why aren't we going? It's this place, right?
Yes.
Alright, I'll just slide
Thank
into
you so
here.
much.
You are very welcome. Have a great rest of your day.
Yeah,
Thanks.
you.
Thing, that's your shit. Like, I'm American and I'm making fun of your Supreme Court this week. That's insane. The picture of your Supreme Court looks like the headline should be like, Mall Santa Massacre.
Green light.
Cult reveals dark
Drop the
undertones.
phone or whatever you're doing.
Take their Santa court. Oh my God, I would love the Santa court. Okay, so I'm gonna steer us back into the movie here a little bit. I'm gonna go with best worst tagline.
Bring you Truth Wanted live from the University of Texas at San Antonio on Friday, May 13th, 7 to 8:30 p.m. Central. I will be your host, Objectively Dan, and I am thrilled
No
to
reverse
have members
lights.
of the UTSA Secular Student Alliance as my co-hosts. We'll also have some special guest members.
How does your car not have reverse lights?
For modern society doesn't impact whether or not it's still true biologically.
Well, there's also there are things that you can tie into biological evolution that go into society as well. If you're talking about like human biology, if you're talking about specifically like there's different ideas and archaeological
Very red light.
that come up with like.
Okay, and it's going to continue going on. It's just trans people are mentally ill, blah, blah, blah. And it's all that. You also can't enjoy me stopping challenges. And
Kind of sounds like he likes to get a rise out of it.
okay, you keep calling him my friend. Well, I care about him, but he clearly wants nothing to do with me. And when I was open to having a conversation
What are you
with him,
doing?
let's just say there are factors involved that he cares about, but I don't consider to be relevant factors in that pack.
If you don't know where you're going, don't just stop in the middle of the road.
Will not stop to them.
Unless you want to get punted.
I would just like him.
Haha, I see tickets. Can't park on that side. That's a ticket. That's a ticket. You must have just pulled in. That's a ticket. And that's a ticket. Yay! You earned it. And here's another one. Is there anyone in here? Anyone in here? You have a ticket. Go fuck yourself. Learn what that P with a circle through it means. That guy DJing right there. Interesting. Oh my god. What are you doing? So you're gonna block the other way, the other direction of traffic because you're trying to go where? You're gonna back up into pedestrians. Fucking everything up.